Good evening, folks. Welcome to the tech news. I've just decided to try to make less AI powered videos and do more genuine videos where I talk with my voice. So, starting the tech news. The Nubia Music 2 is here, building upon the success of its predecessor with a few cool upgrades. This budget friendly smartphone continues its focus on media playback, but with now even better sound and a fresh design. The main highlight is the 2.1 channel audio system with 3 full range speakers and 95 dB volume output. With DTS X Ultra support and spatial audio, you are in for an immersive experience. Plus, new LED strips light up in sync with the tune you play for the extra flair. Unlike last year's model, which has two headphone jacks, this year model comes only with one. It comes with a 6.7-inch HD plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Unisoc T7200 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 128GB storage. It is great for everyday tasks. You get a 15 megapixel main camera and a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging. It comes in two colors, which is Melody Wave and Pop-Up Art colors. The pricing is around $87 and will be available in ZTE's official Shopee and Lazada stores in Malaysia. Ready to be jam packed with this phone. It seems like to be a very good alternative for people who want a cheap phone, which is only 4G, not running any 5G services. Samsung is all set to launch a trifold smartphone in 2025. As you know, Huawei stunned everyone with the Mate XT last year. The world is now eagerly awaiting for the pioneers of foldable phones to come out with their own device. So Samsung will bring their phone in the second half of this year. Samsung Fold will fold twice, but with a new improved mechanism. Unlike the predecessor, the folding screen will not be fully exposed when it is open. The device will feature two different screen sizes based on the fold. One will be a 10.5-inch screen and when folded to the left, and it will be a 12.4-inch screen when unfolded to the right. It will be perfect for multitasking and media consumption. The price will be totally shocking. It's going to be more expensive than even the Huawei's phone. Initial estimates that the phone will only be launched in 300,000 units this year due to complex production involved, but they will ramp up the production if it becomes a hit. There will be no under display camera as it's not there in the Samsung Z Fold 6 Special Edition. So finally you will get a good camera in the inside screen. Samsung is going to push the boundaries this year and let's see where the fight goes from here. Following in on the footsteps of Google Pixel series, OnePlus has officially added support for Find My devices on the OnePlus 13 phone, even when the phone is turned off. This cool feature is a game changer for anyone concerned about theft. Normally, when a thief grabs your phone, then tries to turn it off to avoid being tracked. But with this update, OnePlus 13 can still be located through the Find My device network even if it's powered off. This functionality is made possible by Qualcomm Fast Connect 7900 system inside in Snapdragon 8 LE chipset, which supports powered off finding. It's up to the device makers to implement this, and OnePlus has already done it. While this feature is useful, it's important to note OnePlus 13 series comes with a $100 price hike compared to the OnePlus 12, and it starts at $900 now. Considering this, it's a cool addition. It is well worth it. It should have been there 2 years ago when my phone, the S22 Ultra, was stolen. It's been a while since a new Windows powered tablet designed specifically for gaming has come out, but Asus is here with the launch of the ROG Flow Z13. This 2-in-1 tablet packs serious performance and features that will make both gamers and productivity users take notice. It has a 13-inch 2.5K resolution display with 180Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI-P3 color coverage. The screen is designed to offer stunning visuals. The CNC aluminum unibody chassis is not only stylish but also includes a built-in kickstand for easy setup. It's powered by AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 and has 128GB of unified storage. It can handle the most demanding tasks. It comes with a 70-watt battery. Asus claims up to 10 hours of continuous usage. It has a stainless steel vapor chamber cooling system with a new arc flow fans for effective heat dissipation. It supports a wide range of Windows applications and PC games, plus AI features via Microsoft Copilot AI system. The performance will be top notch, the build quality will be top notch, but the pricing is going to come at around 2000 US dollars. So, is this the right tablet which you're looking for, or is this going to be a great productive machine, or will it be a flop like the previous generation? Looks like Microsoft is playing a sneaky game to keep users from jumping ship to Google with Bing. While you search for Google on Bing, you might notice something suspiciously familiar. Instead of the usual Bing layout, this page looks very similar to that of Google's homepage, complete with an animated image and a rounded soundbar. When you search for Google or Google.com on Bing, you'll be greeted with a page that resembles a Google doodle followed by the large search bar. The clever part, the Bing logo and search options are hidden as the page loads, further tricking you into thinking that you are on Google. If you search for anything else, the Bing returns to the usual interface. It's a sneaky move to prevent users from leaving Bing to use Google, especially since Bing is already the default search engine on Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser for Windows 11. While users may see through this trick, it's definitely aimed at people to prevent them from switching from Google or downloading Chrome. Is it clever marketing or is it a deception that the government should take action against? Let me know in the comments below.